And I know you guys are wondering, why do the cowboy have no shirt off? Well, guys, I got a product that's been shown to be revolutionary to get you in shape. And now that I got shoulder surgery and my shoulder is all better, I'm ready to get my body back outside to where it used to be. So let's go, because this thing is supposed to be it. So I have right now the official ripstick. That's right, guys. I went out and bought this thing, and so we're going to actually see how good is it. Is it going to bring them biceps back? Is it going to make these chests perk up like it used to? What would it do for these triceps? Guys, I'm going to use this almost pretty much every day for a week, and we're going to see what these results are with the ripstick. I want to get ready. But first things first, we need to open this with the trusty And Now Your Mama Knows knife, brought to you by my brother, Dave. So let's get into this thing and let's cut it open. Ooh, that's sharp. I almost got myself. Woo! Alright guys, here it is. So, wow, I can't believe this. I seen this on TV. I actually made my own homemade version. You have to watch that video. But today is the day where I'm actually going to check out the original real deal. So they gave me some extra bands. That's cool. And here it is. So the science behind this thing is simply you're using your muscles to hold it from contracting back. So let's just give it a little whirl and see what my thoughts are. All right, guys, this is real. As you guys know, I do real reviews. So I'm pulling it open. Oh my God. All right, so they do this thing where they show somebody put their hand through the middle. I can't open this. So this must be the really hard band. So let me try it as hard as I can. Alright, this is as hard as I can hold it open. And I don't think that's the way it's supposed to be. So let's take these bands off. It looks easy enough. You literally just take the bands off. Now, it had 2 bands on it. So I wonder if you're supposed to have 2 on each side on. So let's see what happens when I just put 1 band on. So maybe I'm just weak. Well, I am weak, but. And it looks pretty simple. You just, it's like a rubber band. Bam. Put a band on. It was that simple, right? The other side. All right, guys, so I tried to make the bands as even as possible, going straight across. These bands look thin. Maybe that's why they give you a lot. I feel like I'm going to break this, but we'll see. So now I'm able to pull it open. This is how it's supposed to be. Now, the whole theory is somebody could put their hand through the middle, and you're supposed to go out and not let it close on their hands. And then you're supposed to do reps like this. So let's take a look. So I'm holding it open, and look at my chest, right? You could do stuff like this. Got to keep it open, all right? Look at my arms, all right, as I keep it open. So you can see those muscles activating. I can feel it in my chest. You could go down. You could do curls with it. But the whole theory is you can't let your hands go back to normal. And oh my God. All right, so let's do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. Guys, look at that pump. Oh man, you know what? I could see going on the break and just grabbing those and doing something. Like, guys, I felt I was actually doing curls. I literally, my shoulders feel like I was benching. Like, it feels like I was really putting some stress. And they say it's pretty good for injuries. And you guys know I had shoulder surgery 5 months ago. So that actually felt pretty good. Like, my arm, I feel it. It feels a little sore. But, wow. Well, let's do some more. Let's try some more. All right. So let's just do curls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Look at those muscles activate. Guys, look at those muscles. Look at those triceps. Whew. Wow. Okay, this is strange. Now, I'm going to have to look up on it. I wonder if there's anything I do for my stomach. I'm trying to get my stomach back in shape. But guys, let me see. Like, I think I'm just trying to hold it open. And I'm going to move it all around. I think this is good, and I'm trying to hold it. But my arms, I'm trying. Oh, God. Woo! Wow. My arms eventually just... Alright, guys. What I want to do is work out with it, but I want my son to try it because he's super into working out. He's super in shape. And so I want to see what he has to say about the ripstick. Subscribe to the most epic channel on YouTube for live streams every week. Daily videos. Subscribe. All right, check it out, guys. I got Eric here with me. Obviously, he's in shape. And this, you know, obviously, oh, I couldn't even pull it that far. But yeah, so the theory is somebody will put their hand through it and then you got to do a bunch of them. But, so what are your thoughts on that, right? That's crazy, right? So that's like a lot of resistance. Crazy. So take 2 off. Take 1 off the top and 1 off the bottom. And then let's see what your thoughts are. I think it's pretty cool. I was messing with it and I could see. So pull it all the way apart. There you go. And then try to do like 20. But let's do this. All right. So what do we got?
2.
Okay. 3. And so the theory is you just go straight through without making it touch. So some people do it fast. Some people do it slow. I feel like doing it slow is not bad. But, you know, it all depends. But yeah, I want to get your thoughts. And then,
oh man, that was already 10.
Yeah, that's good, right?
Yeah.
Yo, look at your chest looking crazy. So,
my shoulders really
yeah, do a curl. So pull it open and then like do like a curl motion. And so the same thing, you just want to stop yourself from closing as much as you can. That's good. Like, and then you could do skull crushers.
Oh.
All right.
They are feeling on my shoulder.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is crazy.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy.
But the concept is cool, right? Resistance.
That's crazy, yeah.
Yeah, and so you could do all other stuff. Like you could twist your body and hold it. You could do a bunch of stuff. But what's your... Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you could get creative. You could like go to the corner and then up. Yeah, like hold open, bring your arms. Yeah. Right? Yeah, then go up that way.
Ooh.
Yeah. And then yeah.
Ooh.
And then do the other side. Just do the other side. Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, man, yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm going to mess with it for the week, and I'm going to see what I feel, you know, in a week. So
I'm sure when you get comfortable with these things,
mm-hmm.
you already might look a little impressive. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wow. I like the feeling I feel on my shoulders.
Okay, yeah.
It's normally when I feel like my shoulders have gotten some good work.
Yeah.
And now I'm like, oh, that's going to probably affect everything. But that feels good.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, we got Eric's opinion on it. And we'll see what happens in a week.
Yes, sir.
I'll make you famous.
Because I'm a cowboy! Oh, man.
And now, your mama knows.